this car was actually looking at me, pick me. So we got this Ford Ranger 3.2. This thing is fast, it's high up the ground, feels really nice. Luxury, man. Hi guys, my name is Ali. Welcome to my channel. We're gonna make another vlog today. It's gonna be cars and food. I'm actually in my new car, Mercedes CLA. I'm not a big Mercedes fan, but on this car I couldn't refuse the mighty deal I was having. So I've got this car. I'm gonna have some fun for a few weeks and then I'm gonna vlog it. I'm gonna take some nice shots of this car and then I'm gonna meet one of my very good friends. We're gonna have some chat and we're gonna have some fun, and then I'll take you guys with me. Come with us. Right guys, another day, another car. Actually, I'm in my friend's car. I said I'm gonna pick him up. We're gonna go have some food, and he's got a very nice collection of very nice cars. So I went to pick him up, and I said, let's take one of your cars. And this car was actually looking at me, pick me. So we got this Ford Ranger 3.2. This thing is fast. It's high up the ground. Feels really nice. Luxury, man. Just in this car, we're going to get some food. I'm pulling this car like a horse, man. This thing goes. We're gonna get some food. I've actually made some shots already of this beast, so I'm gonna treat you with some shots. So in 1, 2, 3. We got some nachos for a star because they said food's gonna take some time. So guys, these nachos are really good. The keema at the bottom is really tasty. It's not proper desi style keema. It's got some western touch to it. Well, I just don't want to fill myself up on this because I'm really looking forward to my steak. So yeah. Bro, I got chicken, Yaya chicken special. What did you get, bro?
Steak, sirloin steak.
Yeah, it is Yaya special again.
Yaya special.
Guys, what I've realized, if you come to a new place, most of the time the menu they call special, their special, is probably the easiest choice. You don't have to put your head against the wall to decide. Basically, take some suggestions from the waiter and then just go on order. So we've ordered their special, Yaya beef special and Yaya chicken special basically. So we're gonna dig in. We'll see how does it taste like. Wow, that's some knife, isn't it? Massive knife. I've seen some steak knives, but this is massive. Need a fork. I need a fork. So good. Which year did you finish? Alright. How do you like it?
Not bad. It's not the best steak.
Yeah, that's what I said. It's alright. Just a little bit bland. It's okay. Dip your meat right in the sauce. That tastes good.
Yeah. I used to work there, though, 7 days a week. Not with beef on it. It's alright. Put all these other spices and whatever in it. It's boiled the sirloin steak. It's not got that sirloin taste to it. Or the peppercorn sauce is good though.
You got creamy one. You got creamy one.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's actually good. The ship hasn't started to sink yet.
Yeah, it'll take a few months to show you its effects, isn't it? So guys, we're enjoying the food, we're talking business, talking money. You make friends who are in a similar trade, so we're both in a similar trade in a different way. We sell the same kind of products for different categories. But him and my friend is into properties as well. So we're talking business, we're talking property, talking money. Obviously he's got way more experience than me, so it's always good to have a good chat when we come out. We do see each other a lot, work related, maybe twice a week or something. We face each other, but we're so busy, both of us. We get time. We come out to get some food. We actually were going to go to a different place, but they were so busy, so we ended up coming to YAYA'S.
Well, look at this one.
Bro, take this one. Take it. Thank you. Right, we're off. YAYA is good food. Him and my friend, he didn't want to be on the camera. He's keeping a low profile. But thanks to you for your company, mate. Right guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoy the vlog, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Right, till the next time, peace out. Guys, thanks for watching the video till here. I wanted to make a quick announcement. I went to Turkey and made a travel log, which is coming out on Friday. I'm sure you're gonna like it. So don't forget to tune in. See you Friday.